Hello, Rajiv Chopra once again. And I really don't know if you will be able to listen to my voice. I will try to do what is known as a voice isolation. So there's going to be a lot of manipulation of my voice on by using Adobe Audition. Anyway, so where am I? This is my second podcast, as they say, from the road, and I will put this out again at the end of September. Where am I? I am on a road called Sadanand Road or GB Road in Delhi. I have known this road for several decades. And I've known this road from one aspect, or let's say two aspects, but one aspect more intimately. So it's now absolutely dirty and filthy, and it has almost nothing which to recommend it, except for those who have a sleazy imagination. But on the ground floor, which is the road level, you're going to find traders, guys who are selling cooking oil or now automotive parts and pumps and all that sort of stuff. And yet on the first floor or the upper floors, in a small section of the road, you have the red light area or women selling their bodies. And I was actually standing next to a few of them. They were standing in the corridor in the dark. And I am here today just to do a recce because I don't want to just whip my camera out because I am a bit wary of the environment. So now if I have my back to Ajmeri Gate, then on the left side of the road, there are a couple of booze shops. Next to the booze shop is a police station, and a cop was walking around with his stick, and he kept whacking his stick against his leg as if he wanted to either get his free service or go and whack someone or get some money from the pimp. I don't know. So yeah, the booze shop, next to the booze shop, you have the cop station. The booze shop is crowded because you have all sorts of people who are wanting to get drunk before they have sex with a prostitute. The prostitutes were in the dark in the corridor. About 3 or 4 of them are out actually at night at this time. And it's only about 7 o'clock in the evening. So it's not late. If you look at it from that perspective, it's not late at all. But they are out. Why am I a bit wary of whipping my camera out and photographing them on the first day? It is because I don't know if they or the cops or the pimps or their customers are going to react. So point of note here, when you are trying to do street photography, you have to sometimes keep your camera inside. So I'm recording this with my Zoom H1 Essentials recorder, but I moved away from the area where you have the prostitutes. I did not take out my camera. I did not take out my GoPro. I kept everything safely inside, and I probably will be back with a smaller bag and without the Zoom recorder. Maybe I'll have the Zoom recorder and the GoPro. That I would come earlier in the day, maybe after the Diwali when the weather is a bit better. It's really hot and humid today. And, I was at Jantar Mantar earlier this evening. And it's one of those times when you wish that Yama would call you, but Yama has not called us. Many people find this part of Delhi to be exotic. I've walked here so often, I don't find it exotic at all. It's dirty, it's crowded, it's filthy, it's noisy, and you have the remnants of absolutely beautiful architecture, mostly Mughal, but also some later colonial stuff. Memories of the Mughals, memories of the British Raj are all but extinct here. There is no sense of history. In fact, when I was at Jantar Mantar, I was talking to this very nice lady guard, a lady called Sapna. And she was telling me that I must go to Ayodhya because the temple is beautiful, the town is beautiful. But she had absolutely no idea about the Babri Masjid or the riots that followed. So forget about having a sense of deep history. We don't have a sense of recent history, and that's a tragedy. Should I write a post about it? Maybe I will after this podcast episode. I think by the time this podcast episode is out, I should be either in Zero or on my way back from Zero in Arunachal Pradesh. So, here I am on GB Road, Delhi. I will come back and I will spend a day. My plan would be to come early in the morning, maybe at about 6:37. Go to the India Habitat Center, have breakfast, go to the toilet, go to my mum's house, have lunch, come back to GB Road, maybe go to the India Coffee House in Delhi, Connaught Place, and then come back to GB Road. That is going to be one very, very, very long day. Until then, me at GB Road, and there are more prostitutes out. So, let me walk back. And what do you say? No matter how much we might look down on prostitutes or how much we might look down on prostitutes, they are at least far more honest than many other people, politicians, many businessmen. They have a product, their body, they sell it until their bodies are done for, and then no one gives a damn. But still, if you're out there with your camera, beware, because there is definitely an issue of your personal safety involved. So street photography is not just about whipping your camera and taking pictures. It's about storytelling, and there are situations where personal safety comes first. Oh yes, Rajiv Chopra from the Dusty Mike Chronicles. Goodbye for now, and I will see you in the next episode. Ciao, ciao.